Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sopu. Today's topic is something I will design you that how you can design a cover base or something else. You can make something different. So let's start and design some new things. First of all, I will fix my thumbnail, then I will make it. So let's start. Let's uh, make it two. Okay, cover face design. Yes, I have design. Okay, okay. Let's save it here. And no, I'll make here a change. So I want to make a change here. So first of all, I will go for yellow, and this side also be yellow, and this side I will I'll make it uh, no, make it, yeah, or green, red, right. Okay. Uh, this is what I will fix here. Save it here. Yeah, save it, and I will export it as PNG format. PNG format. Okay, okay, replace it. Okay, so let's make a logo. Let's make some logo or some design. So so make a new page. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I will create a page. So you can see here something. You can see here a artboard which is white, and I will make here something new. First of all, I will take a type tool and make something new. So make it is first of all. I think there is a problem, so I will make here type tool is I will bold it here. Here is, then I will make here some change. Some change here. Uh, this video is different from other videos, so this watch this video and try it out at your home. So let's see how to design the things. Very very nice. Okay, first of all, I will make a parchment. Yeah, I will take parchment. So let's make it parchment. MNOP parchment. Yeah, yeah. I make parchment, so uh, I will make here some copy. Click click Alt and right button of your mouse. Then it will be a copy. So make here some copy. Make here some copy of it. So let's let's make some design. How to design? How to design? The design here. You can see here I didn't cross over one letter to one letter over one letter, the other letter. So you have to follow this. Don't over to the another letter. Don't over. Yeah, you can see here. You can see. Don't over the another letter. If you fixed or mix it, then it will okay. It will okay. But don't over yeah, don't over it. Then I will make another some copy, another some copy. So another some copy, another some copy, another some copy, which is needed very much needed for me. So I'll put it here. And mix it here. Mix it here. Uh, here. Here, mix it here. You can see here. Mix it here. You can see. You can see here how I design the things. You can see here how I design the thing, how it look like. I think it look quite good. You can see how it look like. It look quite good, but not awesome. So let's let's give a color on it. Let's give a color on it. This color is perfect. Yeah, you can see here how I make it. Mhm. Mm, uh, sorry, but there's this unwanted click. Mm, I'll make a copy of it. So you can see here there's some problem, and uh, here you can see how to de design things. So you can write here many things. So there's this make it. You can see here. You can see here. So I will make it orange color. Make it orange color. How it look like? It's look very nice to see. You can see, and this is the end of today's class, and you can see how to make a design for your cover page or other things. So let's make it out and tie it at your home. So today's class is in the range. So show you many things on our next class. Keep trying and practice it, and you can change hair many colors. You can change hair many colors. You can change hair many colors, and this is my last things. You can change hair. So let's see. Let's change this color and for the last time, and I will make you can change anything. You can change anything here. You can change orange. You can make it orange. You can make it orange. You can make it. You can make it black. Make black. You can make it black. Make it black. You can make it black, and you can make it orange. You can make it orange, orange, orange. You can make it. You can make it orange. You can make it orange, and you can change anything. You can change anything, a lot of things. You can change this color also. You can change this color also. Which color will be the best? Yeah, you can change this color. Hmm. And then you can change here another things, which will be the so you can make it gradient. You can make it gradient. So select the linear and make it. Sorry, first of all, you have to select this. You have to select this. You have to select this, then make it gradient. Then make it gradient. Okay. Oh, first of all, you have to create outline over it. First of all, you have to create outline over it, and which will the first of all create outline and ungroup these, ungroup this ungroup, this ungroup, and now you can make its color with gradient. So make it gradient. You can see here is gradient. You can see here is gradient. How it look like? I think it's look very nice, and this is the end of today's class. I will teach you many things on the next class. Till then, I love this.